Car dealer, good afternoon. Welcome to our dealership. How can I assist you today? Husband, hi there. We're looking to purchase a new car for my wife. Something comfortable and reliable for her daily commute. Wife, yes, I need something that's easy to drive and has good fuel efficiency. Car dealer, great. We have a variety of options that might suit your needs. Are you looking for a particular size or type of vehicle? Husband, we were thinking of a compact SUV or a sedan. Something that's not too big but offers enough space. Car dealer, sure thing. Well, let's start by checking out this compact SUV. It has plenty of cargo space and advanced safety features. Wife, I like the look of this one. How about the interior features? Is there a user-friendly infotainment system? Car dealer, absolutely. This model comes with a touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone integration, and even a navigation system. Husband, safety is a top priority for us. What kind of safety features does this model offer? Car dealer, this SUV comes with adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. Wife, those sound like great features. How about the driving experience? Is it comfortable to drive? Car dealer, the suspension is designed to provide a smooth and comfortable ride. The seats are adjustable and offer good support, making long drives enjoyable. Husband, what about fuel efficiency? My wife's commute involves a fair amount of driving. Car dealer, this model has excellent fuel efficiency ratings, which should make it a cost-effective choice for your wife's daily drives. Wife, I'm really liking what I'm hearing about this compact SUV. Do you have any information about the warranty and maintenance? Car dealer, absolutely. The manufacturer offers a comprehensive warranty, and we also have service packages available to ensure your vehicle stays in great shape. Husband, well, it seems like this compact SUV ticks a lot of boxes for us. What's the pricing like? Car dealer, I can provide you with a detailed breakdown of the pricing, including any available financing options and trade-in value for your current vehicle. Wife, that would be helpful. We want to make an informed decision. Car dealer, of course. Let's sit down and go over the pricing details, and I'll also arrange for a test drive so you can experience the vehicle firsthand. Husband, sounds like a plan. Let's get started then. Thank you for your assistance. Car dealer, my pleasure. I'm here to help make this process smooth and enjoyable for both of you.